Coming of Gandhiji. The full name of Gandhiji was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We all know him as Mahatma Gandhi as well as Bapu. Gandhiji is also known as the father of nation. He was a barrister in South Africa where he was practicing law. साउथ अफ्रीका में भी ब्रिटिश का रूल था और गांधी जी को वहाँ पर रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का सामना करना पड़ा था. रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का मतलब होता है रंग भेद, गोरे और काले रंग के इंसान में भेदभाव करना. वहाँ पे जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे, गोरे लोग, वो अपने आप को सुपीरियर और अफ्रीकन्स को, काले रंग वाले लोगों को इन्फीरियर समझते थे. सो रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का मतलब होता है वेयर पीपल आर इल ट्रीटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर ऑफ देयर स्किन. Because of this racial discrimination, Gandhiji returned India in 1915. He gave a new direction to the Indian freedom struggle. He earlier faced the racial discrimination, and when he returned back to India, he traveled all over India and saw the condition of Indian people, and their poverty and bad condition made him very sad. Then Gandhiji joined Indian freedom movement and gave a new direction to our freedom struggle. People started involving themselves more actively in the freedom fight. Children, Gandhiji fought for freedom without any weapon. Gandhiji never supported violence as means of freedom fight. He led without arms. He truly believed in truth and non-violence. Gandhiji used truth and non-violence as his weapons. After the death of Lokmanya Tilak in 1920, the reins of the Indian national movement passed on to Mahatma Gandhi. 1920 से 1947 के पीरियड को गांधीयन एरा भी कहा जाता है, as Mahatma Gandhi led the national freedom struggle against the British rule. He showed a new path to the freedom struggle through truth, non-violence and satyagrah. On the platform of the National Congress, Mahatma Gandhi opposed the British policies through the non-cooperation movement, the civil disobedience movement and the Quit India movement till we got the freedom in 1947.